This is a 3.5-mile pipe. It's connecting the new water treatment plant for the city of Fort Lauderdale from Prospect Lake, Wellfield, all the way up to 5-Ash treatment plant. Once completed, it will be able to serve 50 million gallons a day to the city of Fort Lauderdale residents, Oakland Park, and Tamarack.
This is a design-build project that was broken up into 9 different phases in order to expedite construction. We're currently out on site in phase 5, which will be done through a horizontal directional drill. What's unique about this phase here is we're crossing Commercial Boulevard, and we're using a 54-inch HDPE DR11 water main to do that. This drill depth will be approximately 55 feet as we cross through the FDOT right-of-way. Overall, the project will be installed through open-cut methodologies using 48-inch pre-stressed concrete pipe and 54-inch HDPE pipe.
The project is going to be completed in summer 2025. This will improve reliable infrastructure for the city of Fort Lauderdale.